Good morning, everybody. We'll get started here. Doing a real quick scan here. Not really seeing anything at this point. Maybe possible buy coming in on the pound. Maybe possible buy coming in on natural gas. Okay, so if you're new to watching these videos, of course, for the first hour we'll be trading. I'll be calling out live entries. In fact, there's a buy coming in the natural gas right now. So let me watch this real quick. Okay, natural gas is a buy. Okay, my target on natural gas is going to be 657. 657. That is going to be my profit target, 657. Entry was 654, 654, looking for 657. If we don't hit target, I will reverse it. 648, 648. Looks like we're going to hit target though first. All right, that was a quick one. Wow, right out of the gate. We hit natural gas, hit our profit target, exit. Okay, so like I was saying, if you're new, what we do is we have a number of different instruments that we look to trade. We are looking at indices. I'll go ahead and put those symbols up here, top right-hand corner, so you know if I call out the symbol, you know exactly what I'm going to be trading. So on the indices, we're looking at ES, which is going to be the mini S&P. If I say RTY, I'm talking about the mini Russell. YM is going to be the mini Dow, and NQ is going to be your mini NASDAQ. Gold is going to be a GC, SI for silver, CL for crude, and NG for natural gas. And of course, we also watch Bitcoin, which is the symbol's BTC. Also be trading some currency pairs. We'll be looking at Aussie US, Euro US, and the US yen. For the Aussie Euro and the US yen, we'll be looking at one of 5 different behavioral patterns that I teach in the core package. And with the indices and the commodities, we're going to be using something called Einstein. Einstein provides us with an entry point, a profit target, and or reversal. The hit success with Einstein is very high, meaning that it will hit target before reversal. Okay, possible buy coming up on the US yen. US yen. Gonna watch that. Still have a little bit of time here to make sure that this pattern develops. Nothing on the indices this morning. Indices looking strong. Expect a higher opening on the Dow this morning. Possible buy forming on the gold, maybe a possible buy forming on the silver.
Profit target hit.
That was from an earlier entry on the crude. Had a short coming in. It did hit target. Okay, I got a buy on the US yen. Getting a buy on the US yen. It's going to be a... Ooh. Looks like it's going to be an 03. It's too far away. Not going to be able to enter that. The only way I'm going to be able to enter that is on a pullback. So if the yen pulls back, I'll try to get into 130.03. Otherwise, I'll let this one go. Good morning, Yolanda. possible buy coming in on in natural gas. This is going to be an HF3. HF 1, 2, and 3 are all patterns that we use with Einstein. And we do have a possible HF3 setting up for a buy on natural gas. Okay, getting a buy on natural gas. Entry 669. Anything below 669, 669 or better. Right now we're sitting at 68.3. Target on natural gas is going to be 672. If we don't hit target, need the reverse. We'll reverse at 663. All right, still nothing on the indices this morning. Probably won't get something set up here until we open up. That's going to be a little bit more than 10 minutes to go. Nothing on gold, nothing on silver. Maybe a possible buy coming up on gold. Hasn't formed yet. Natural gas long, target 672.
Off the target yet.
Hit target on natural gas. All right, I only had a couple trades this morning so far. Natural gas. Nothing on any of the indices, nothing on gold, silver. Possible buy coming up on gold, but pattern hasn't formed completely. That would be, that is going to be an HF1 setting up. Got an HF2 crude oil possibly setting up for a buy. Yeah, good, John. I'm glad to hear that. I figured you'd like it. So I'm watching gold, seeing if we can get this HF1 to form. Crude HF2 trying to form. All right, a little bit less than 4 minutes to go here before the Dow opens up. Once again, expecting a higher opening on the Dow. All right, watching Aussie US, Euro US, a couple PAP formations forming. That's with the core. So we have a couple core setups possibly forming on a short, for a short. All right, a minute to go here before the Dow opens up. Actually, she's open, so Dow is now open. Up 374. Getting close to a buy on the gold, close to a buy on the silver. Gold just hit its target. Gold just entered. Gold's bottom is at 1864. Target on gold is going to bring me up to 1868. Profit targets 1868. If we need to reverse, it's going to be 1856. Once again, if you're joining us for the first time, this first hour is for demonstrational purposes only. My method of trading is different. I don't use indicators. I don't use your typical chart patterns or candlestick patterns. These are very unique patterns I developed and discovered over 30 years ago. And they are universal, so I can apply them to whatever I decide I want to trade. In this case, I'm looking at indices, looking at some commodities. We also do apply them to stocks. Okay, long gold right now, target of 1868. If we don't hit target first, I'm going to reverse at 1856. We hit 1856. Getting a short on the Aussie US. Aussie US, that's going to be a core pattern short. I do my best to call all these out, but keep in mind that I'm watching a total of 16 different markets here, so some I catch a little bit late, some I learn, but once you learn the method, the idea is you'll be able to identify and enter these trades yourself. Okay, Bitcoin has a buy. It's an HF1 buy on Bitcoin. Target on Bitcoin is going to bring us up to 326.50, 326.50. That's going to be our profit target on Bitcoin. For those that like to trade Bitcoin, I personally don't, but there may be some out there that do. Reversal on Bitcoin is going to be 315.25. Okay, getting a short on RTY, getting a short on RTY. RTY, once again, is your mini Russell. Entry on that RTY was 1784. Target's going to be 1779. If we don't hit target, it's going to reverse and go long at 1794. ES also triggered short, and as well as the mini NASDAQ NQ also triggered short. Unfortunately, coming in late on this ES, but target on ES is going to bring it down to 40.41.
Profit target hit. Profit target hit. Profit target hit.
ES already hit target. Still long gold, looking for a target of 1868. Still short RTY, looking for a target of 1779. And those students that are watching NQ is short. I'll give you that target real quick. 124.20. Reversal on that mini NASDAQ, if we don't hit target, it's going to be, let's see here, 125.32.5. Okay, still short RTY. NQ, which is your mini NASDAQ, still short. Mini Russell still short. Gold long. ES already hit target. Nothing on crude, nothing on natural gas. Bitcoin is still long. Once again, if you're not in our live chat room, keep in mind that there is a delay as it's rebroadcast to YouTube and Facebook. Do not attempt to make these trades. There is a delay, number one. Number two, you must understand the method here. So you do see entries and exits before they hit. Keep in mind, I'm trying to follow 16 of them here for you, so I may get late in providing you with an entry. Okay, still short RTY. NQ is still short. Still long on the gold. NQ getting closer to target.
Profit target hit.
All right, mini and Nasdaq did just hit its target on its short. Still short RTY, which is your mini Russell. RTY, ES is my two favorite. Then YM, then YM, which is going to be your mini down. Then of course NQ, your mini Nasdaq, is my my fourth favorite. Dow at 400, coming back just a little bit, pulling back. Could help put some pressure on that RTY. $17.79 gonna be the target on RTY. Getting closer to target, 79.6 on RTY.
Profit target hit.
Just hit target on RTY. Natural gas going short, natural gas going short. That natural gas short came in at 690. Target's going to be 687.
Profit target hit.
Natural gas hit target. That was fast. Once again, what's unique about Einstein is I can put in any type of move that I'm looking for. So if I'm looking for a $2 move, say we're trading stocks, I'm looking at a $5 move.
Reverse sell.
Maybe I want to trade only $10 moves. I can put that into my formula. Once a pattern is developed for that size of move, then it will give me an entry, a target, and a reversal. The success rate has been 70% and up for hitting target before reversals. Reversal is going to happen anywhere between 20 to 30% of the time. YM just went short. YM just went short, which is going to be your mini Dow. Once again, if you trade these indices, I suggest just stick with one because it's just way too fast. Gold just reversed and went short. Gold's now reversing and going short. Silver's going short. $324.63 target on YM. YM just hit target. It's too fast. I can't keep up with all of them, guys. Okay, gold short. Let me give you a target on gold. Target on gold is going to be 1852. Entry was 1856. If we need to reverse before we hit target, it's going to be 1864. I like gold. I'm going to put a little bit more on the short. Silver's in a short. I give you a target on silver. Silver's a kind of a slow mover. Target on silver is going to bring us down to 2166. And we also have, if we don't hit target on silver, my reversal is going to be 2203. All right, so also if you are a stock trader, you like to trade stocks, we are going to open up a stock trading room, basically going to be using the same methods. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, shoot me your name. We'll keep track of your email. We'll let you know when that new site opens up. It will be trading a basket of stocks. We will be using price projections. The live room will have access to any pretty much any stock you want to take a look at. But we're also planning on having a live morning show. So the first hour will be live, free to everybody on the stocks. Using the same method, we'll be using Einstein and also be using some of the patterns that we use with the core, with our core package. Okay, short gold, short silver right now. Dow's up 298, 294. getting a short on crude oil. Short on crude oil. That short on crude oil came in at 102.65. Target's going to be 102.25. This is going to just be a regular pairing pattern short. Short crude 102.25. Reversal is going to be 103.45. All right, RTY is getting a buy on RTY. Entry on RTY is coming in at 1784. Target's going to be 1789. $17.89 is going to be the profit target. And if we don't hit target first, we will reverse at 1774. This is just going to be a standard pairing pattern long. Okay, long RTY still short gold. Target on gold is going to be 1852. Target on RTY, we're long 1789. RTY approaching target. Getting a buy on NQ, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ. Getting ready to get a buy on ES, watching ES for a possible buy. Target on NQ, which is your mini NASDAQ, is going to be 124.57 and a half. And if it needs to reverse, it's going to reverse at 123.45. For those that are in our live chat room, you should be getting the same numbers as I am. If not, double check your numbers. Okay, short gold now, long RTY, long NQ. Nothing yet on ES. Short gold, short silver. Crude is also in a short right now. Target on crudes, 102.25.
Profit target hit.
Okay, RTY just hit profit target. Still long NQ, which is your mini NASDAQ. Watching ES for a possible buy coming up on ES. If ES hits 40.41, it is going to be a buy. ES just went long.
Target hit.
Along the E-mini S&P. Target on the S&P is going to be 40.47. You could even go with 40.47.25. Reversal on ES, we don't hit target first. It's going to be 40.28.25. NQ hit target. NQ did hit target, which is your mini NASDAQ. Long ES. Looking for ES to hit target at 47.25. Watch YM. You have an HF2 forming on YM for a buy. Gold and silver still short, crude still short. All right, folks, it's 9 o'clock. So once again, if you're watching us on YouTube and Facebook, I want to thank you for joining me this morning. If you'd like some more information, plenty of information on my YouTube channel, Binary Pro Strategies, a lot of educational material out there, as well as make sure you watch the fundamental video. Also have one on Einstein. 2 good educational videos. Any other questions, just come to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. That's the best way to get a hold of me. I do answer all my emails, so always glad to answer your questions. So until tomorrow, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you first thing in the morning. Take care.